Shri here with the Tuesday taglines. Last week, we discussed noise reduction. The next challenge is language. Language only has meaning in context. Take a simple claims example. An adjuster note says, claimant delayed treatment. To a generic model, this is just a sentence. But in insurance, delayed treatment could be a high-risk signal or a behavioral pattern depending on the timing and the claim type. In a non-insurance example, if someone said, the system went down, that means very different things to an IT team, to a hospital, or to airlines. Same words, completely different implications. Without structure, the model just reads text. With structure, it starts to understand what these words actually mean in that domain. Building domain structure is like creating a legend for a complex map. Without it, you only see symbols. With it, you start to understand the terrain. That's why domain structure is a dedicated layer in our architecture. This is where insurance fluency has to be engineered, not assumed. At a high level, three things matter. Identifying what subjects matter, understanding how they relate to each other, and then choosing the right intelligence approach, like a RAG, a small language model, or knowledge graphs, or all the three. At Charlee, this is where our claims inference and language interpretation starts to shine, and why everything downstream becomes far more reliable and explainable. Next week, I will explain why claims language itself is fundamentally different from our everyday English language and why that matters. Thank you so much. See you next week.